Hey everyone, just checking in from Thailand. I've just arrived here from my amazing trip in the Philippines with the British Council. Before I share this video with you, I just want to thank my amazing camera assistants today, my cousins Annika and Charlie, so thanks guys. And basically a bit about this video, I spoke at an event in the Philippines called Solemates Connect, and it was held in Marikina, which is their sort of shoemaking city. It was such an amazing event, and it was run by the great people at Zapateria Hub, so I definitely recommend you check them out. And I hope you enjoy the video and more about the trip soon.
Ang gawang Marikina ay gawang kamay, gawang may pagmamahal. Ang bawat gawa ay may kwentong dala-dala. Kwento ng gumawa, paano ginawa, at para kanino ito ginagawa. Hindi natin hahayaang maputol ang kwento